Fashion posters must look bold, stylish, and luxurious. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a stunning fashion product launcher poster in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Set a dark gradient background. Import your product image like a handbag, shoes, or outfit in high resolution. Remove the background with the selection subject with mask for a clean cutout. Position the product at the center with drop shadow or reflections effect. Add a bold headline like New Collection 2025 in sleek modern font. Use gold, silver, or neon textiles for luxury emphasis. Insert a subheadline like Exclusive Launch Event. Add product details or tagline in minimal, clean typography. Use abstract shapes